The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 Supernova remains a top choice for riders looking for a stylish and comfortable cruiser. As the highest variant in the Meteor lineup, it offers a premium experience with its dual-tone paint scheme, chrome-finished elements, and factory-fitted windshield. Royal Enfield has made subtle refinements to the Supernova variant, including improved seat cushioning and better suspension tuning for enhanced ride quality. These updates ensure a smoother experience on long rides and rough terrains, making the Meteor 350 Supernova even more suitable for touring. The bike continues to be powered by the reliable 349cc, single-cylinder, air-oil-cooled engine that produces 20.2 bhp at 6,100 revolutions per minute and 27 Nm of torque at 4,000 revolutions per minute. With a 5-speed gearbox, it offers a refined and vibration-free ride, a significant improvement over older Royal Enfield models. The latest version is now compliant with BS6 Phase 2 (OBD2) regulations, ensuring lower emissions and slightly better fuel efficiency. The Tripper navigation system has also received an update with better Google Maps integration, offering riders a more seamless navigation experience. Smartphone connectivity has been refined, making it easier to receive turn-by-turn directions. The Meteor 350 Supernova is equipped with dual-channel ABS, a 300mm front disc, and a 270mm rear disc for better braking performance. It rides on alloy wheels with tubeless tires, ensuring safety and convenience. The fuel tank capacity remains at 15 liters, offering a real-world mileage of around 35 to 40 km/h, making it a fuel-efficient choice for long journeys. Priced at approximately 2 rupees and 30 paise 2.40 lakh rupees ex-showroom, it competes with the Honda CB350 HNS, Jawa 42, and Yazdi Roadster. With its comfortable ergonomics, premium features, and reliable performance, the Royal Enfield Meteor 350 Supernova continues to be one of the best cruiser bikes in its segment.